Alright, so what I'm going to show you is, so if you're messing around with your router, your wnr3500l router, and then you're trying to put like DDWRT on it, and you like maybe end up not liking it, or it's not working for you, and you want to go back to the original firmware, and say like you're doing it over wireless, and you screw up your router, and then it's bricked. There's the flashing light of doom, you know. So I'm going to show you how to debrick your router without a serial cable or anything. And I hope this works for you guys. It worked for me, so I'm going to show you how. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is first you're going to want to set a static IP address to your computer. So to do that, go to network connection. So you go to start, my network places, and this will open up. And you're going to want to right click, properties, alright, this will open up. I'm going to go to properties right here, and then click on Internet Protocol, TCP IP, right, or double click, and then use the following IP address, and click that, and you want to type in 192.168.1.160, and then the subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0. Default gateway will be 192.168.1.1, and then the DNS will be 192.168.1.1. And then just hit OK. I'm gonna hit cancel because my router isn't bricked anymore. And then close that out. And now you're gonna want to just go online and download a firmware, the original firmware for your wnr3500l router. So they have that at the netgear website, or just Google it, and then go to this website. It's called myopenrouter.com. I'll put the link in the description. So basically, you just want to follow all these steps when you need to log in. When it says login, your login name needs to be root, and then your password, whatever your password is, it's probably just password if it's default. And then, so after you reboot, which is down here, after you follow all these steps, and you need to reboot, you need to wait 5 minutes, and then reboot your computer. This is where, like people were having trouble. I had trouble. Like I would just ping my router, and then I'd just go start, run, type in command, and then and so I would ping it like this, ping 192.168.1.1, and then you hit enter. But see, it would just time out. It would just say timeout, timeout, timeout. But so I'm getting replies, so that's good. But it would just keep timing out, and that's where like it wouldn't work for me. But then what I did is I just had my router set up like it should be, even if it was working, you know, or like it would be working. Just have it set up normally, and then restart your computer, and then try pinging it, and then you should get a ping back. And then after that, you need to open the command window, which is again start, run, cmd, and hit OK. And then this will open up, and then you're going to want to type this in: TFTP-I 192.168.1.1 put, and then whatever the name of your firmware is. So what you can do is you can go to your router firmware. Oh, by the way, put your firmware in your C drive. So start my computer, and then you're going to want to go to your C drive. This loads up, and then go to your C drive, local disk C, and then just put that right in there. Or yeah, just drag it or copy whatever and just put it in there like that. And then your command prompt, you're going to want to type in cd/ and then hit enter, and it'll direct you to your C drive. So after that, then you're going to want to, like I said right here, tftp -1 or -I, sorry, 192.168.1.1 put, because you're going to put the file to your router, and then you're going to type in whatever the file name is. So you would just go to property or right click properties, and then this is the name, but you can just rename it, you know, to make it easier, you know, just rename, and then just have it whatever, like wnr3500l .chk to make it easier. And then you're going to want to type in tftp -I 192.168.1.1 put. I mean, you can even just copy and paste this, and then just put in the name of it, which would be in this case wnr3500l .chk. I'm not going to hit enter because I already debricked my router. And after that, you're going to hit enter, and then it should say transfer successful, and then you're done, and then your flashing green light, it'll stop, it'll turn orange, and then you should be good to go. And then just try logging into your router, it should work. And I hope this helps. Pretty much just follow all these directions, except after you, to log in, your login name needs to be root, and your password's password, or whatever password you have for your router. And then you type in reboot at the end, and then you need to reboot your computer, and then it should work fine for you, and then you should be able to debrick your router. And so this is a great website if you're trying to debrick your netgear wnr3500l router. So pretty much that's it, and I hope you're successful in debricking your router. I mean, I was pretty upset after buying a $90 piece of equipment, and then pretty much something useful for pretty much a paperweight. So I hope this helps, and please subscribe, comment, please ask any questions, and thanks for watching. Bye.